Hi, thank you for taking time to visit my profile. My name is Asya and I am a full stack developer specializing in MVP development, SaaS application, and AI powered products. I work with startups, founders, and businesses to transform ideas into products that people can actually use and business can grow around. I know that hiring a developer online is ultimately about trust. Technical skills matter, but what most clients are really looking for is someone who can communicate clearly, follow through commitments, and genuinely care about the success of the project. These are the standards that I hold myself to. I believe in being transparent from the start. If I think there is a better approach, uh, I will share my perspective, my thinking honestly. If something take longer than expected, you will hear it from me early, rather than discovering it at the last moment. I value clear communication because I know that uncertainty can be frustrating when you are investing your time, your money, and your energy into building something that is important to you. Over the year, I have learned that the best projects come from strong partnerships and long term partnerships rather than simple client contractor partnerships. I aim to be someone on whom my clients can rely on, who can not just write code but who can think critically, who can solve problems, who can contribute positively to overall success of the project. I particularly enjoy helping founders build AI integrated applications, build MVP, scale and build SaaS platforms. Seeing an idea evolve from initial concepts and initial idea into something that creates impact is one of the most rewarding thing of what I do, and it's a thing of my profession. I take pride in being responsive, accountable, and easy to work with. I respect deadlines and I welcome feedbacks and approach every project with the same level of dedication that I expect from someone who is working on my business. If you're looking for a developer who values honesty, reliability, and long term collaboration as much as technical excellence, I would be happy to learn more about your projects and discuss how I can help. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to connecting with you.